This is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. Today we are going to be playing with some Holo pigments. We have got the red Holo. That is just beautiful. And then we've got the green. Aren't they just gorgeous? So we're going to be playing with these today. I have taken the nail. I have already put the glue gel on it. See the nice new labels? You have the color dot on the top so you can write on them, so you know what you're grabbing. Put that on for your pigments. And start tapping. Oh, this is coming out really fast. Holy cow, the old ones didn't used to do that. They had great control where you didn't waste no, wow. Start rubbing it in. And that is just beautiful. I am going to be doing 2 coats, just to get complete opacity so you can see we missed some there. That's just gorgeous. So I'm going to put another coat on of the glue gel. Here these for 30. As you can see here, I have already done the red, and look how stunning that is. That is 2 coats for complete opacity, just to make sure I got everything, every nook and cranny. Woohoo! So I think these are just gorgeous. I really love these. We haven't top coated them yet or done anything to them. All I've done was put the glue gel on, the red Holo pigment, burnished it in, dusted it off. And here we are. As far as I've gotten without you. But I wanted to get a head start. Rub, rub, rub. I think these are just gorgeous. Love the Holo pigments. Can't get enough of them. Dust it off, and there you go. Look at how gorgeous that is for Christmas. I think that's just stunning. Caps fit nice snugly on. They're gorgeous. Everything works smoothly together from SheModern. They also are happen to be having a sale going on right now, I believe till January 2nd. Everything is 35% off the website. Everything's 35% off. So check them out, SheModern.com. Get yourself some gorgeous Holo pigments. Look at that. Aren't those beautiful? Now I'm going to be taking the grip gel. I'll be putting it on the green nail. So that's where my decals are going to go. So we are going to take us a portion here. Brush it on down the nail. Make sure it is all saturated, because we want everything to stick. There we go. Pop this in for 30. Put your cap back on that. And let me see. We have got here our decals. We have got 2 silver, 2 gold bulbs, ornaments that you would hang on your tree, and we are going to be putting them on our green nail. That will be our Christmas tree. There we go. I have got my Beauty Big Bang Stamper. That's what I'm going to use to apply the details with. Missing a chunk out of my stamper. That's not cool. I'm not sure how that happened. Not sure at all. Just cleaning my stamper off a bit. Yeah, we got a good chunk taken out. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Dab it up. Slide it off the backing. Dab off the decal. And position however you would like. There we go. Get your little silicone tool. Smooth things out. Go in for your next ornament. Slide off the backing. Dab off. Position how you would like it. And gently rub over. And repeat. Just repeat down the nail. Don't forget to smooth things out. No air or water bubbles wanted. And there we go. Our bulbs are decorating our tree. Okay, I'm going to set all that aside. Hopefully you can see our ornaments. I think they all look gorgeous. Complementing the green. We are going to now take a top coat in on, yeah. It is a sub-brand of Modelones. I'm going to put this back on the stand now and bring it forward because we're going to top coat everybody. Put these in the lamp for 60 seconds. The glitters may need 2 coats of top coat just so you're not getting any texture to it. Look how gorgeous these are. I think they're just stunning. I really do. Stunning. Yes. There's our first coat. We're going to pop these in the lamp for 60. If you are new here, please click that subscribe bell button and click the bell so you get notified of all future videos. I wouldn't want you to miss anything. I run usually 3 videos a week depending on. Thanksgiving was a little rough. I had a couple more going out than anticipated. And then I think the following week I missed one. So Christmas week could be the same because of being busy with the family and the holidays. So, but normally 3 times a week I upload. Saturday is always SheModern Saturday, where we explore, practice, take part in all SheModern products. So this is an emerald green we used, and our red. They're both a Holo glitter pigment, and they are gorgeous. There they are again off the nail. Beautiful. Love, love, love them. And if you haven't already, make sure you visit SheModern.com. Look for them here on YouTube, as well as on Instagram. On Instagram, they are she_modern. Tell them Just Nailed It sent you. Make sure you check out the website for their sale. You're not going to want to miss it. Put this some nice top coat. Nice thick glossy top coat. Love, love, love. Like for real polish, I use Sesh Feet, which is a nice, thick, juicy top coat. Fast drying top coat at that. So if you're a real polish wearer, check out Sesh Feet. These are all gel. Pop these in for $60. And there we go. We will be right back. Alright, we are back. We have finished our manicure. Everything is nice and cured. And look how beautiful this is for Christmas. For the holiday season, you can wear this with bling or without. Just the Holo can stand all on its own. Then we have our decals. Whoops. Whoopsie. Go and check them out. Make sure they're cured. Sometimes my lamp gets a little wonky on me. And I do have a new one I should pull out. Thank you, Noi. Well, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you very much.